Nagre-ready na kami para sa aming pagpunta sa Byron Bay. 7:12 na pala. Ako nakabihis na rin ako. Pero hindi pa nakapag-ayos ng buhok. Ayan, malamig. Suotin niya yung kanyang same as kay Jana print na ano tawag doon? Polo. And you girl, it's cold, baby. I don't think so. This one will suit for today. Just get something na babas. Ayan, palitan niya. Kasi chinek namin. Chinek ni Jan kagabi. Oh yeah, that's nice. I forgot about that one. Yeah, that one. She's changing her outfit.
Probably wear
that one, the track is with the jumper. Yeah, chinek niya. Uulan, tapos medyo malamig. Yung kuya ko, ayan, nakabihis na rin. You look so guwapo yan. And si Sak, umaalingasaw na naman yung kanyang pabango dito sa caravan. How many did you spray? 3? Sak? 3 raw ang in-spray niya. Guwapo. Nagpapagas lang pala kami. Ayan na si Jan. And meron tayo ditong papusa para maprotekta ng ating neck. Kasi open ano din yung pupunta natin. Yung parang malapit sa dagat din. So, for sure na malamig ang hangin. Nakakalimutan ko yung lens nandun sa caravan. Kasi ginamit namin yun nung nag-haul yung mga bata, diba? Hindi ko na nabalik. May makikita si Johnny Boy. So, si Sak iba rin yung suot niya. Nag-change yung mga planong kasuotan. Si Kuya, ang gwapo ni Kuya. Ang bango ng car namin, guys, dahil kay Sak. Si Kuya din mabango yung pabango niya, pero nasasapawan ng pabango ni Sak. Mas ano yung mas powerful ang pabango ni Sak. Hindi, yung pabango ko hindi ko na rin maamoy. Yung kay Sak talaga yung naaamoy ko. Si Jan, did you spray her perfume? Oh, hindi ko.
Smell me?
Yes, I can smell Daddy. I can smell my perfume. Even Kuya. I can smell yours, Zaki. Definitely. Sana wag umulan kasi may... How many percent, Kuya, the chance to rain? 50%. 50% ang chance. So sana wag. That's new houses, anahan. Maraming mga bagong bahay dito. Makikita man lang ang bago kasi yung iba may mga plastic pa. Yung windows. Before, wala. 3 years ago, and then dito mayroong ginagawang road work. May gusto sana akong puntahan yung Seed and Sprout na shop. Kaso mas ano yun, mas medyo malayo siyang konti. Sabi sa akin ito, dapat sinabi mo nung papunta tayo ng Queensland kasi nadaanan daw namin yung kasi sinerch ko kagabi yung address. Tinignan niya. Sabi niya, no, you're too far. This is very far where we're going. An hour and 30 minutes. Tapos yung pupunta namin an hour and 20 yun an hour and 30 minutes. Eto 1 hour and 28 minutes yung pupunta natin. Kaso nga magkaiba sila, magkaibang daan. So halos pareho lang yung yung layo nila, pero iba ang daan. Kaya wala. Gusto sa akong pumunta doon kasi yung mga lunch and glass containers magaganda. Gusto ko sanang hawakan. Meron naman online. Pero mas gusto ko sana mapunta sa physical shop. Road work na naman dito. Kasi maganda, stackable siya. Tapos yung mga malilit nilang ano, yung parang pag gumawa ka ng chia pudding, yung basta maganda sana dun kung mapupunta natin. I can smell you yan. Ang mga anak ko, pabango na ang kanilang ano guys, hindi na toys, pabango. Yun, may init. Wala, mamaya na. Nandito pala yung isa kong shades. Pari yung dalawa. Ayan. Akala ko hindi ko sila nadala. Nadala pala natin. Hoy boys, did you say good morning to the people?
Good morning.
Good morning. Si Holly, oh, I love the color, Baba. Peach color.
Peach.
Yeah, it is peach.
I never said it wasn't. You said it was pink.
Yes, Zach said pink. It's not pink, it's peach. So Monday, uwi na tayo. Tapos, ilang araw tayo niyan sa road. 2 araw. Kasi mag-stop-stop tayo bago tayo makauwi. So, Wednesday daw kami makakarating sa bahay.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Nakapasok na tayo sa Byron Bay. So, ito na yung town ng Byron Bay. Ayan, Byron Luxury Beach Houses. Okay. Hindi naman siya ganun kalayo. Yeah, an hour mo na lang. Aloha. Welcome to Aloha, Byron Bay. So, maraming mga hotels. Nakita na rin namin yung caravan park nila. This is bigger than Yamba, right, hon? Yeah. Is this New South Wales or is that New South Wales?
How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they
Ulong
miss
Bar
the
Motel.
leaves they left behind?
So lots of accommodations here.
Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
May nakita yung mga batang mga shops na may mga sale din. Dami rin na mga shopping center dito. Pero,
Sale.
Sale.
Yeah, there's a sale.
Diyan. Ang dami.
The end of there.
You wanna go there, Zach? Why?
Barn surf.
Byron Surf. Parang
It said
ganda.
Ripkel sale.
I think you got to pay for parking here.
Do we have to? Yeah.
Yeah,
Ayan.
you do.
Ganda. Ayan yung
Ripkel's up there though, Dad.
$20 sack, oh. Pambabae. Alright.
Are you getting jorts again?
Tingin lang siya kung saan tayo magbabayad ng parking. Kasi may bayad daw yung parking dito. Hello. Nakatulog pala yan. Nakapagnap siya. Are you gonna look George here again, Sak? Nahihilig na siya doon sa kanyang palibay. Ayun, nakausap niya dyan. Na shorts. What she said, Han?
Well, that one says out of order.
Out of order, so where are we gonna pay?
So now let's go down the other one.
Oh, this is perfect park. Oh, it's cold. Huh? That's right, it's cold, Sak. Now it's cold. Tinanggal nila yung jacket. Byron Bay. Tinanggal nila yung jacket. Tingnan nyo kung paano siya maglakad. Oh, malamig nga. Look at Holly. Oh, ayan. Look at this one, Baba. Ang dami.
And Mama just snuggled up.
That's right. So, ito yung kanal shopping sa... Oh, Sak! I saw you, Sak! Rip curl. Ayan, naka-sale din sila. Go, maybe you can find yours here, Baba. Kasi siya yung wala masyadong nabili. Here, girls, here. Shorts, Baba. No kids. Here. There, Baba. Here, Holly. Here. Get that one. What? That one. This one, the fluffy one.
I think these boys here.
That one, Baba, nice. Daddy wants you to get that one. Hmm? It's fluffy. It's nice. Oh, ayun naman si Sakchin.
Extra small.
No. You have to get the big one, Baba.
Size 10 small.
10. Try it on.
I'm probably wearing this right now.
Yeah, try it on. Try it now here.
No, Dad, please don't.
No.
Okay, that looks like a horse's rug.
Fine. You know what Holly said?
It looks like a horse's rug.
I think that's. Can go the next.
I think next one, Baba. That's a bit short.
Put it back in.
Where's
Oh, the same color.
We've already got one, right?
Yeah, you have to find different one.
Bigger again. So just
That's right. You cannot wear it in.
what size is that one, Holly?
No, those are better.
No. Get different color.
More different colors. There's no different
So
colors.
you go in
The black one.
Huh? Yeah. I have them.
Same, right? Rip curl. Yeah, meron siyang ganun na short.
This is a size.
Where's Kuya?
This is a size 12 medium.
Okay. Si Baba?
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you.
Look at me. Yeah.
Mom, there's a towel like this long.
Towel. Long one. Ah, that's nice.
And or can I get?
There's different sizes.
Okay, so you like it? Yeah. So it will last
Until winter
a long time.
Until winter comes.
Ah, I like that pink.
It really makes
Ah,
me
you want that?
wonder.
That's okay. It's up to you. Okay.
Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Let me see.
It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
You have have that shorts, kuya. Ito yung OOTD natin. Winter na winter.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark?
Yeah, it's alright.
So far away, show us
Let me see.
My tent's supposed
Let me
to
see,
be-
Han.
My tent's
I like
supposed
yours better.
Yeah, gusto niya
Mama.
twinning kay Zach. Pero ayaw ng boy kasi sabi, it looks weird. Here, Holly. Here. What you got, Zach? Jumper. Let me see. Size 16. Oh, okay. Si Jan, gusto rin naman tong kunin. Sabi ko, no. No checkered. I don't like checkered, honey. Huh?
About mine.
It's about you, but it doesn't look nice. Malaki yung shirts na sinukat ni Holly. Eto, pang boys. Pero maliit siyang size. Try this one.
What's that?
Magkano to?
They look
$80.
like boys.
It's not. Go, just try. Ito, oh. Malaki kasi. Size 10.
They look like
He's one and bigger. Otherwise, I would have tried these.
Aww. What do you think, honey? You like it? It's alright. It looks nice.
No, I like it. Shed belt.
Yeah, we can just...
And you'll grow it.
Yeah. Panlalaki kasi yan.
buy it.
Huh?
Do I buy it?
The, ask Daddy. Daddy said he likes it. Medyo malaki.
It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
Sukat ko to kasi kapareho to ng kay Holly. What do you want? Do you want to change? You alright?
It's dark. So far away, show us where we are.
Where's Kuya?
Really makes me wonder.
Yeah, you're alright. baby. Tapos na tayo dito. Bayad na dun si Johnny Boy. Expensive. Zach, get that one. Thank you. Suotin niya na. Lagay muna sa car yung pinamili nila. Ang ganda ng ano ni Holly. Jumper. Napaka-fluffy. At the back, kuya. Oh, tingin daw sila dito. So, yung sa Rip Curl, yung mga nabili namin, hindi naka-sale. Selective items lang daw yung mga naka-sale doon. Hindi tulad dun sa Queensland. Kuya, these are nice. What? What? Belt?
No,
What?
kids section.
Ah, okay. Kids section here.
Kids section.
Yes.
Oh, at the back here. Not really much.
Not really much daw, Bobo.
What do you always want? Like jumpers?
It's just shorts.
Oh, shorts I can do. Shorts I can do. They're all these ones.
Here, Baba. Okay. It's not denim.
Denim. No.
No.
Maybe Volcom. Volcom, Rip Curl.
We've been to Rip Curl.
Okay, Volcom, Quicksilver.
Kuya! Hindi to naka-sale. 119 to. Yan yung suot ngayon ni Kuya. Huh? You're getting hot. So yeah, hindi siya naka-sale.
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me
Yeah,
feel
it's
this
alright,
way.
babe.
Don't know
You don't
what
need it,
you
babe.
do.
So may kinuha ko nito dun sa Rip Curl. Halos pareho lang yung pinasukan natin. Ito naman, Billabong.
That's all I need.
So halos pare-pareho lang naman ng ano nila, yung style, design. Iba lang yung brand. Sobrang in ito ngayon. Inaay to ni Jan.
My jumper, I'm just gonna
Oh, alright. Hinubad niya yung jumper.
hold it.
Kasi mainit dito. Naka-heater sila. Walang nakuha dito si Sab. Ito lang na rack ang naka-sale. Doon hindi. Meron nakuha doon si Jan tsaka si Kuya. Kaso hindi doon naka-sale. Ito lang. Selective lang yung... Yeah, that looks nice, yeah. That's nice.
Quicksilver.
Quicksilver.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's nice.
I reckon you might want these. Give you these if you want.
What's that?
Coat hangers. We just throw them away.
Ah, for a hanger. Ah, that will do to my caravan. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. I got free hanger for the caravan. So we can hang your stuff. That's a heavy one. Itatapon na raw kasi niya. Tapos tinanong niya sa kung gusto ko. Sabi ko, yeah, sure. Para sa jacket nila sa caravan.
Did 3 months in a potato farm down there for the
Blancowie.
nah,
Nah.
Gam
Blanco.
Gamblerine.
Yeah.
Enjoy your
Thank
stay,
you.
so-
Get out there and enjoy it.
Thank you.
See you guys.
Okay, tapos na tayo. Ilagay lang yan ni dyan sa car. Okay. Come on. Go look for your... Gusto ni Kuya yung tumingin nga yung New Balance na sapatos niya. This is body, cotton on. Go! Come on. Huh?
Where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Ay, gusto. Oh, okay. Thank you. May sinukat ako kaso wala raw tong ka-match na pants. Ito, oh. Ganda sana kung may pants siya. Nakatelo. So, black na naman na leggings ang ititero natin dito. Medyo maiksi siya pero kasha. So, di ko siya kinuha kasi gusto ko sana may ka-partner na pants or kahit shorts. Wala, ang layo. Ito, tinitingnan ko. Mas lighter ito. Okay, come on. Yung dalawang boys nasa Universal Store. Okay, let's go there. Hold mommy's hand. Oh, wait, baba, wait, baba. Tingin sila ng sapatos eh.
Where we are.
Hi.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder.
Okay. Punta na silang Volcom. Tingin lang ako dito. Where's Daddy? Oh, Daddy here na. Oh, nandito pa si Daddy sa Billabong. May nabili siya. Meron.
Hello again.
Go to the next one.
Hi,
What have
Daddy.
you got there? What's this?
Oh, it's just my camera.
Oh, your camera. What is it, like a GoPro? No.
Yeah. It's, oh no, GoPro is a sports camera. This one
Yeah.
is just like a small camera for vlogging.
Yeah, right. Yeah, don't put my voice on
No.
that bottom.
Thank you. See ya. May nabili. Babe, what you got?
That's that. They didn't have that size there, so I just got it.
Oh my,
You look like a horse now.
you look like a horse now daw, honey. A horse rag. Gusto niya talaga yun. Ikaw niya talaga. Kinuha niya. So, dito tayo sa Platypus. Tingin siya ng New Balance. Is that the one? Okay. 10. Walang size 10.
That one's only in a 9.
Walang size. Wala. Yung pinakamalaki nila 7. Sa Queensland 9. So kami lang ni Holly ang naglalakad-lakad dito. Yung boys, i-check lang ni Jan yung car kasi 1 hour lang daw dapat doon. Tapos kailangan magbayad ulit. Hindi ko lang kung saan kami dadalhin nitong walking namin ni Holly.
It makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me
Lakad lang kami
wonder.
dito.
That in the States.
Oh, that's the ocean.
Mom, we're
Oh, okay. So Daddy will be here soon. Gusto niya pumunta dito sa Quicksilver. Nakita ko na naman yung damit na gusto lang bilhin ni Jan. Hi. Okay.
I know what Dad's gonna get.
Eto nga. Very into ngayon. May kinuha si Jan dun sa kabilang shop nito. Hindi ganyan ang kulay, pero ganyan din ang style. Okay. Wala nang siya dito. Oh, suot na ni sa aking jumper.
But so there's no Quicksilver here, so Dad doesn't get that jacket.
Yeah, we have to walk that way.
Drive them.
Ah, we drive that way. Si Holly, tinatakpan niya na yung nakita namin. Kasi andito na siya. Find Holly, Han. Find Holly. You know what You know what she's doing? Covering your
Oh.
checkered. Oh. Hanap pa ni Jan yung gusto niyang pants na hindi niya mahanap-hanap dito.
What is it?
Oh, you want a burger?
Naghahanap kami ng makakainan and si Kuya gusto niya kebab dito kay Bay Kebabs.
Avocado and bacon. I want.
Madami ditong makakainan pero ito ang pinili nila. Ang laki.
Me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Thank you.
Oh, it makes me wonder.
Okay, good. Good? Meron sila ditong healthy, ayan o. Acai berry.
But Luann's good.
Good. Oh, watch out ha, watch out. Watch out. Don't go yet. Okay, go, Holly.
Sort of pick that up with my. What's light red and gas?
Hindi naubos niyo. Nakaupo kayo dito sa may stairs. Hindi namin alam kung saan yan papunta or anong shop to. Pero may CCTV. Uy, Tyrone, ay holy.
Pardon me. That was good.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Saktapos na.
He's going to actually have.
Si Jan kumuha siya ng burger sa Betty's Burgers. Ito yung kay Holly, hindi ko rin maubos.
Oh,